learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Patiko Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Lim Zepsiu. That's Joseph Lin right here. Along with Alice, we're teaching you this month the conversation of borrowing something from someone. 可以借我吗？
做得加爱么？
做得加爱么？加爱就是借我啦。OK，
做得，
做得 or no，
做唔得，
做唔得。我们现在回到学生时代好了。
好啊。
离我们才大概半年前的事情。Let's go back to school days. And if you're in school, great. This is going to be very practical for you because you want to borrow some notes from your classmates. 怎么说？可以借我上课笔记本吗？ Can you lend me your notes from the class?
做得加爱，上课嘅普惠么？
哦，做得加爱，上課嘅
普惠么？
普惠麼？棚啊？
布子吗？
布子嘛。Okay, let me just get that notebook from you, all right? And hopefully you have a good classmate and he or she will say, 当然可以啊，怎么了？
当然做得啦。
当然做得啊。
用板黑么？
用板黑么？好啦，那就解释，可能真的刚刚没听清楚而已。Okay, I just didn't hear clearly what the teacher said, so I just want to see your notes.
给他冇谈清楚。
給下冇談清楚。給下
就是刚刚。
剛剛啊，給下 that means just now. I didn't listen carefully.
那海陆腔改下。
該下 that's a different dialect for just now. 那或許要借筆記本是因為真的沒有來上課。Maybe you missed classes because you were not feeling well and you need to borrow those notes now. 生病沒來上課。
人唔好，
人唔好，
冇來上課。
冇來上課。剛剛生病怎麼說？
人唔好，
人唔好，
就是人不舒服
人不
啦。
好，人不舒服。Okay, that means I wasn't feeling well. Or maybe you really fell asleep during class.
上課時，
上課時 that means during class 上課的時候，對不對？怎麼了？
沙水踢，
沙水踢，
就是睡着啦。
去找周公去了，對不對？Okay, let's review some of these vocabulary that you learned. 筆記本 that's a notebook.
普惠，
普惠 and then just now 剛剛
給下，
給下 and finally I fell asleep 睡着了。
沙水踢。
沙水踢 and it's all about borrowing something from someone and this is a good cause. If you miss some class notes, you really should borrow it. 可以借我嗎？
做得加愛麼？
做得將愛麼？
做得，
做得 yes.
做唔得。
做唔得 no. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
晏子社長來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.